like tomato. Sorry.
I like tomato.
Okay, second go. Okay, your name? Your name? Again?
My name is Pritam.
Are you make a sentence? Count. Are you make a
Yes, sir.
I make a sentence.
I make a sentence.
I made a sentence.
I made a sentence.
Make this past tense already ಮಾಡಿದ್ಯಾ? Say where is the sentence? Sentence. Where is the sentence?
ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಟ್ಕೋರಿ.
On the desk.
ತೆಳಗ್ ಕುಂದ್ರಿಲ್ಲಿ.
On the desk. Oh, sentence ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಆಯಾ ಹೆಂಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ sentence ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಪುಟ್ಟಿ?
ತಡೀರಿ ಸರಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್
ಆಯಾ
ಇದನ್ನ ತೆಗಿ. I am
going out.
I go to school. I go
I go there.
I
It is wrong. It is the wrong sentence. Please listen to me. Listen. Silent. Sentence ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
ಕೊಡ್ರಿ
ಅದರ ಬಾಜು ಗಾಡಿ ಇಟ್ಟು ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಡ.
ತೆಗಿ. I go school.
I go to. Where is the to preposition? No sir. It is a wrong sentence.
ಟು ಯಾರ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದೈತಿ?
No. Wrong. Sit down. ಅದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇರೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಯ್ತು. ಬೇರೆ ವಿಧವಾದ sentence. ಅದು ಫೋಟೋ ಹೊಡೆಯಮ್ಮ. ಅದು ಇದನ್ನು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ.
ಬೇಕಿತ್ತು. ಶ್ವೇತಾ ಇದು ಮುಚ್ಚಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕು ಒಳಗಡೆ. ಓಪನ್ ಐತಿ.
ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡೋಣ.
ಹೇಳ್ತಿ ನಾ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳ್ತು ನೀ ಸರಿ.
Sit down. Please sit down. ಅವ್ರು ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ವಿಂಡೋ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಡೋರ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ಸಿ ಇಟ್ಟು ತೋರಿಸ್ರೆ
ನಡ್ರಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಕ್ಕ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಕ್ಕನಿಲ್ಲ ಒಯ್ಯದು ಸರ್. ಒನ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್
sentence ನೋಡಿ my name is sorry my school is beautiful. Yes I can. ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್. ನೀವು ಸರ್ ಯುವರ್ ನೇಮ್?
My name is Nirmala.
ಸರ್ ನಿರ್ಮಲಾ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್. He is a doctor. ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ವಿಡಿಯೋ He is a doctor. Okay, next.
1 second. ಸರಿ 1 second.
What are you doing? What are you doing? I give you the cards for the 10 minutes. Where is the sentence? Where is the sentence? Hey, no, you don't help.
I am cook ಅಂತ ಬರಿ ಮಾಡು.
No, you cook.
ಹೇಳ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳು.
Say one sentence. You cook.
side.
Okay, are you made a sentence?
Yes, sir.
Count, are you made a sentence?
Yes, sir.
I made a sentence.
Yes, sir. I made a sentence.
Say what sentence?
I like chili.
I like.
Chili.
I eat chili.
I eat.
ಹಿಡ್ದೇನೆ ಹೇಳಂಗಿಲ್ಲ.
So video, sit down, please sit down. Please help me. I am physically handicapped teacher. You make cooperation. Another sentence. Another sentence.
I eat an orange.
Only eat, you eat only. Another word no. Yeah, no, answer me. Another word no there. You write copywriting. But eat another word no card. You no find out. So many cards are 50 cards there. No, what are you doing? What are you doing? ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ ತಾವು ವರ್ಕ್ಶೀಲ್ ಹೋದ್ರಾಗೆ ಈಟನ್ನು ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅವರಪ್ಪ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಲೌಡಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್
No, sir.
ಯು ಮೇಕ್ ಟ್ರೈ
Yes, sir.
so many cards are there, you find out that works.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Stop ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಸರ್.
Students are photo. Video. Clearly. No problem.
ಆಗಲ್ಲ.
Okay? You go. So please. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 groups are there. So many 500 cards there on the desk. You look at the one minute. You may be first of all noun or pronoun you find out. Otherwise you are what are doing? So many cards are there. WH word, noun, pronoun, verb, adjective word, adverb word. A simple make a sentence. Your health is good or no? Some problem? Your health? Are you okay? Sentence, are you okay?
Yes, sir. I am.
Are you okay? Wrong answer. Are you okay?
I am.
Yes, sir. I am.
Okay. Are you okay?
No, sir.
Stand up, answer.
No, sir.
No, sir, I am not okay.
No, sir. I am not okay.
That's it, Chitlin. Look at the board. Okay? You go to homework. There are 25 words. Write in the notebook.
Verbs.
Make a sentence. Are you ready the homework?
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tomorrow, next discuss about continue the period. Okay?
Preposition.
You come to school, you discuss about this your friends.
Yes, sir.
You use a simple sentence, simple word. You will try house, neighbor, school teacher, and friend. You use a simple word, simple sentence. Okay? Okay, thank you.